everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to walk you through how to use TikTok on your PC. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily browse through TikTok videos directly from your desktop browser or your PC. Simply go to any web browser on your computer first and type in the URL www.tiktok.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website of TikTok on the next page. You can immediately start scrolling through the videos on the landing page. You can also watch videos without logging into TikTok. The videos that are popular in your area will automatically show up. If you want to sign into your TikTok account, go and click on the login button at the upper right and you'll be able to see a pop-up on the display. You can log into your account using a QR code, your phone number or email, or your username, Facebook account, Google account, Twitter, Apple, or even Instagram. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up button and use these options in order to sign up to an account. Once you have an account, simply click on any one option that you use during the sign up process and log into your account with your phone number and entering a 4-digit code that works as a password that has been sent on your mobile number, or you can also log in using your email or your username option. To do so, click on this link at the top and you'll be able to see username or email option and the password displayed on the screen. Enter your email that is associated with your TikTok account and move on to the password text field and type in your password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link right below and follow the instructions to reset to a new one. After you're done, click Login. Complete the puzzle by dragging the piece and you'll be logged into TikTok. Also, if you want to log in using the phone number option, you'll need to enter your phone number in the text box. Now, click on Send Code and you'll receive a 4-digit code sent to your mobile number via SMS. Before that, complete the verification, wait for the code. Once you receive it, type it in the text box. Finally, click on Login and you'll end up in your For You page of TikTok. Now, if you'd like to upload a content on your TikTok, you can click on the cloud icon at the upper right corner. After clicking on the cloud icon, you'll be redirected to the upload page. If you use the TikTok website, you can only upload videos and you cannot use the TikTok built-in editing tools with your PC. You'll need to first edit the videos with a video editing app and then upload them to TikTok. From the TikTok homepage, if you'd like to go ahead and send a direct message to someone, you'll need to click on the message icon with the paper airplane icon in it. You'll end up in your direct message page. Go ahead and select one of your contacts and simply send a text message to them in order to keep in contact. If you'd like to go to your inbox, click on the inbox button at the upper right next to the paper airplane icon, and all the notifications, likes, comments that you received, mentions and followers on TikTok will be displayed in the expanded menu. That is how you can use TikTok on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.